In this video, I'm going to show you how to add captions and subtitles to videos in HandBrake quickly and correctly using a simple step-by-step process. Whether you want to permanently burn subtitles into your video or add them as a selectable track, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. This is a great way to make your videos easier to understand, improve accessibility, and reach a wider audience. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open HandBrake and load your video into the program. You can do this by dragging and dropping your file into the HandBrake window or by clicking to open a source file manually. Once your video is loaded, HandBrake will scan it and prepare the settings for editing. After that, look for the Subtitles tab near the middle of the interface and click on it. This is where you'll add and manage subtitles for your video. Now, inside the subtitles section, you'll want to click Import Subtitle if that option is available, or go to Tracks and choose Add External Subtitle Track. This allows you to bring in a subtitle file from your computer. Most of the time, your subtitle file will be in .srt format, which is one of the most common subtitle file types and works well with HandBrake. Select the subtitle file you want to use, then confirm the import so it gets added to the video project. Once the subtitle track is added, you need to choose how you want the subtitles to appear in the final video. If you want the subtitles permanently visible on the video itself, choose Burn In. When this is checked, HandBrake will bake the subtitles directly into the video image, which means they cannot be turned off by the viewer. This is useful if you want everyone to see the captions no matter what player they use. If you prefer subtitles that can be turned on or off by the viewer, leave Burn In unchecked. This creates what's often called a soft subtitle, which stays as a separate subtitle track inside the video file. That means viewers can toggle it on or off depending on their preference, which is ideal if you want flexibility and a more professional viewing experience. After you've selected the subtitle option that fits your needs, take a moment to double check everything. Make sure the correct subtitle file is loaded and confirm whether you want burned in captions or a soft subtitle track. Once that's set, you're ready for the final step. Click Start Encode to begin processing the video. HandBrake will now render your file with the subtitles included based on the settings you chose. Depending on the length of your video and your system speed, the encoding process may take a little while. When it finishes, your new video will be ready with captions or subtitles added exactly the way you want them. And that's it. You've now learned how to add captions and subtitles to videos in HandBrake. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.